Hello and welcome to another update video about Natgas. So yeah, obviously just a bit of a recap of what happened in the week and just in time before late tomorrow's start into a new trading week. So yeah, I mean, so far it's going according to script here, even though that is a very choppy move here, very choppy price action, and we have to expect such choppy structures to move and to morph and to change. It's very boring in the Natgas market at the moment. I mean, really, price hasn't moved significantly since March this year. I mean, several months in this price or in this range, and the range isn't even terribly well defined. So it's always difficult. The first move was quite volatile, then nothing, and now we seem to be moving in increasing volatile movements again, very choppy. So it's certainly not impulsive to the upside. So it's, I mean, you can always count anything as an impulse if you want. You can count this as a as a 1-2, 1-2, 1-2 setup. Is it likely? Not really. Do the subwaves adhere to impulsive characteristics? Maybe, but you would have to bend things a little bit and force wave counts. I think it counts best as a diagonal structure to the upside. And if you watch the previous video, then you will, or videos, then you know that we're looking here for an ABC structure. That's at least the primary scenario until something more bullish, for example, is proven. Yeah. And in this ABC structure, we're looking for higher in an ending diagonal of a C wave. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 would be the 5-wave move we're looking for. Based on that assumption, we are currently in a B wave of wave 3. The wave 3 consists of an A wave, a B wave, and the C wave. And I showed you that count last week, I think the week before already, the week before I think as well. So now we're looking forward to a dip into the support area. Been talking about that this week, that we might have completed here the A wave with this high on the 28th of June, that we're looking forward to a pullback in an ABC structure, in the larger B wave, ideally getting into the region between 229 and 250. Seems at the moment likely that we could get there. We of course need to see how the new week is starting, but you can never expect such a move to take place in one straight line. But it starts to look quite impulsive on the way down, which would be an indication that indeed a C wave is taking place here. In this C wave, we're looking forward to reaching at least 250. I think that would be great. And I would be quite, I don't want to say confident we get there, because you never know how the new week is starting, but essentially it looks at the moment as if we're getting there, certainly, as long as we stay below the B wave top here, which is at 283, the yellow B wave top. As long as that is not violated and broken to the upside, I think lower is currently the expectation. Lower in the wave C of B, we need to be watching at these levels, 250, 241 and 229 for a possible reaction to the upside. Below 229, the overall short-term bullish scenario will get seriously challenged, because then price would not only break out of this price channel to the downside, but it would also break below the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement of the move to the upside between the 1st of June and the 27th of June. So a break below the 78.6 Fib level, especially if it's a sustained break, makes such an AB setup less likely. Yeah, an AB setup which could then result in a C wave rally if this support is holding. Below 229, that means it is very likely that we're also going to break below the 214 level. That's the official make or break point, yeah. This AB setup is likely not going to work out below 229, and below 214 is basically invalidated. Now, this is where it's getting difficult, because a B wave can overshoot to the downside. In the current structure, however, very unlikely. And if a break to the downside occurs below 214, which is basically the make or break point, then I would think that we are already heading down here in this fifth wave, and we will not take the diversion, the scenic route, higher in a C wave of wave 4 before coming down. Yeah, and these are the relevant levels, and I think we are going to head lower in the very short term. Again, need to look for a reaction here, and the relevant level is to the upside 283. If we break above that level earlier, then we're probably looking at a C wave rally already. But at the moment, the way this looks is we go a little lower. All right, that's my update about Natgas. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.